All right, today we have the servo board, and the servo board comes standard with 8 servo ports. These ports are the standard ports that you'd have to run any type of hobby servo. It also comes standard with 4 tactile buttons, and these things can be programmed to anything you'd like them to do. It also comes with a power input port and a large smoothing capacitor. The power input that is put into here is going to be routed to the power pins that are going to go to your servos or whatever it is that you have plugged into them. Currently we just have a small 2 amp regulator board, and we currently have it set at 5 volts. So we're going to go and show the program. And here we are in the standard programming that's going to come on the servo board. You can see here that we have 8 PWM objects representing all the ports that we have on the board. We also have some other variable objects here that we are going to use to actually set the position of the servos. And you can see here that we have some standard values here for what a servo is going to expect. We have the frequency set at 100. We have a minimum and a maximum value set at 0.03 and 0.18 respectively. And we also have some buttons. Currently, we don't have anything programmed for the buttons, but you can do whatever it is that you like. And we also have just the core components that will come on every edge board. All right, so we are going to come back now, and you can see here that we have the servos, and we can just move these guys around. Use the servo board for making robots, moving around displays, anything when you just want to do something simple or fun and add some motion to your project. So, the servo board. Enjoy.